not gonna record that.
What? Record what?
You two.
Him doing sit-ups on me?
Sure.
Totally new way of working out, ladies and gentlemen.
Oh, you got him. You got him.
Couples workout. Yep, that's what we're calling it.
Yes. Like when I pull my pelvis down towards trampoline, you don't roll on it.
I didn't move my pelvis. Yeah.
That was awkward. Yeah, no.
Pelvis.
Elvis to pelvis.
Oh. Can't record you guys under there. Shut up.
Oh, they're hugging.
Right. Sock's been kicking ass.
We're totally betting on who's gonna win.
What are you doing? What are you... Go get the cat, not me. That's why we got the cat. No, not really. Hey, no, let go of my shorts.
Yeah, that's why we got the cat, so we can like feed him.
What are you doing?